इनको भी good morning, students. Today, first, let me explain this part again to you. Then, one by one, by name, I'll put up certain questions from you people and you answer. This letter I had already taken up with you yesterday, if you remember. This was order. We were placing orders for musical instruments. If you remember, what were we doing? We were placing orders. So this part is already done. I'll ask a few questions very soon from you people. Once again, a quick review of what we need to do. Here is your address, which should not be more than 2 lines. Then we should have over here the date. I already told you how to write the date yesterday. Followed by whom you're writing to and his address. Then your subject. Then I told you what we need to write as a salutation. Then the first letter, First sentence in the letter, tell why you're writing this letter. Then give details about what all you want to purchase. Then give what the time that you want and the date when it has to be purchased. And then after that, beta, simple. It is what you need to do is give your conditions that if it is damaged or something, you're going to replace it. I'm starting now. I'll keep asking questions from you one by one now. We are going to do a letter. All of you, please be attentive. We'll be placing an order for lab apparatus in place of musical instruments. Let us order something for the science lab. First, to make it simple for you, again the same thing, principal, SR International School. So I'm keeping the name over here. You are principal, name is not mentioned, just the principal is mentioned. This will be done many times. It is not always that the name would be mentioned. So you will simply, you are the principal. Let's have your SR International School. Your school has, we already have a chemistry lab. So you have to write a letter to the manager. In place of Melody House, make it Science House. I'm changing the name of the store. I'm making it at Science House. And in place of Pune, you make it Bareilly. I hope I'm clear. Here it is principal, SR International School. Then beta, in place of musical instruments, we'll be ordering lab apparatus. We are not ordering from Melody House. We'll be ordering from Science House, Bareilly. What I'm trying to do is I'll try to hide this, what I had shown to you that day. Then one by one, let me ask and see what you can speak, how much things you can order. So we are starting, children. Okay, I'll take your name. Whenever I take your name, you need to speak. All of you be ready with this part. Let's start first with Akshat Gupta. Akshat Gupta, what will be the first thing that will be written on the left side in the first line?
Ma'am, address, sender's address.
I have
SR
already
International,
given.
SR
Okay, SR
International School.
International School. Very good. The
First
first
line
line,
नहीं हो रहा.
Akshat. Excellent. Akshat
Then
has given us the
Bareilly.
first line. Bus. Only the first line. Too good, beta.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
SR International School. Akshat, what letters will you keep capital in this? Tell me that part. What will be written capital in SR International School? Okay, let's have Ariba. Ariba, Akshat said we'll write SR International School. Tell me what letters will be capital when you write SR International School. Ariba, please tell.
The S will be capital R, and then the international's I will be capital, and then the school's S will be capital.
Excellent. Too good, beta. Remember, we don't need to have the entire international and school as capital. I and S is perfectly right. Very good. Excellent. Now, let's move on to Devansh. Devansh, what will we write in the second line?
Ma'am, in second line, we will write the sender's address, that the manager, and then the that
Beta,
science.
पूरा नहीं हुआ ना, अभी तो just the name of the school is written. What has to be written in the second line?
Ma'am, the school address.
School address, the entire address needs to be written.
No, ma'am, not
Already the
entire
name of the
address.
school is already written. The name of the school is already written in the first line. So what will
Ma'am,
be
then the
right?
pin code,
Pin and
pin
city.
and the city name.
Pin and city. So I told you we are taking city as Bareilly. So what will you take as capital?
Ma'am, B.
B will be taken as capital. And what pin will you like to write?
Ma'am, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and X.
Okay, excellent. So the first two lines are perfectly done. Akshat has helped us out. Devansh has helped us out. So we have written SR International School in the first line. You know what are the capitals. And then, of course, the name of the city is already written, perfectly written with the pin codes as well. Let's move on to the third child and ask now somebody from commerce section. First, let's have Bani. Bani, what is the third thing that we'll be writing?
Ma'am, the principal.
No, bacha, no. What is the third thing? We are going one by one in the sequence. First line is done, second line is done. Now what has to be written in the third line after the name of the city and the pin?
Not sure. I just like
Okay, I think you were not there
sorry.
for the class yesterday. Maybe you were not there. Narayan. Narayan, what should be written in the next line? I told you people yesterday. Narayan, are you there or you've just joined and left?
No, I'm there.
Okay, beta, what do just say yes or no? At least if I know, even if you don't know the answer, I'm absolutely okay. I'm just checking if you all are there. Tell me, beta, what has to be written in the third line? Do you know? Anyone knows? Okay, raise your hands. Who knows? What has to be written in the third line? Let me see who knows. Okay, we've got a lot of hands raised. Let's have Sakshi, the first hand to be raised. Sakshi, tell us.
Ma'am, the manager designation.
No, we are missing out on something very important. Next is Raghav. Raghav, you tell us.
Ma'am, date.
Date, excellent. Date has to be written. Too good. Now Raghav will tell us. Raghav, we are wanting to write today's date. So how will we write? Come on, today's date, 6th October it is. How will you write today's date? Where will you put a comma? If at all you will put a comma, then where? Tell me, beta. Let me ask somebody else. Let's have Lakshita. Lakshita, you tell me. How will we write today's date?
Ma'am, we'll write 6th October, comma 2020.
6th October, comma 2020. Any letter which has to be capital in October or all capitals, how?
Ma'am, we'll write O in capital.
Yes, we'll write O as capital. Excellent. Now let's move on to the next child and ask Pratik Pandey, who's raised hand. Pratik, if I want to write the name of the month first, then how would I write today's date? Pratik, are you there, beta? Okay. Let's have next one, Vaibhav. Vaibhav Shukla. Vaibhav Shukla, you tell me. If I have to write the name of the month first, how will I write? Vaibhav, are you there? This
Yes,
way at
ma'am.
least I did. Okay. Vaibhav, tell me. If I have to write the name of the month first, then how will I write, beta?
Ma'am, October 6, 2020.
Do I need to put a comma anywhere?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am,
Very
after
good.
October 6.
After October or after 6?
Ma'am, after 6.
Excellent. Do I need to put a TH for 6th or should I write
No,
6 only?
ma'am, 6 only.
Too good. Very good. This shows that you were attentive yesterday. Very good, children. We have discussed this part also, how to write the dates. If you're writing the date first, then use ND and TH and STs. Otherwise, no. And perfectly what he has told us, Vaibhav, is absolutely right. So we are done with the first 3 lines now. Let's move on to the next line. We have the next hand to be raised. That is Anshika. Anshika Singh, what will be the next thing? What will be right in the next line, Anshika? Anshika, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we'll write receiver's name and his address or
We'll go
his
according to the situation that I have given. We are writing a letter to the manager, science house. So what will be written in the 4th line? Tell me. What will we write in the 4th line? Anshika, tell beta. Never mind. Let's try with Uditi. Uditi, you tell. What will be written in the 4th line? Uditi, should the
manager.
manager. Excellent. Now, can you tell me what all will be capital, what all would be small? Uditi, continue. Uditi, tell me what capitals, what small in manager?
T of the and M of manager.
Excellent. Too good. Very good, beta. T of the and M of manager is going to be capital. Let's move on to the next child. It is Raghav and Akshat. Oh my God, so many of them have raised their hands. Too good. Raghav has not got a chance. So first, let's go to Raghav. Raghav, tell me, what will we write in the next line?
Ma'am, science house. After the manager, science house.
Please specify the capital letters also, beta.
Ma'am, S of science and H of house.
Very good. S of science and H of house. We are done with this. Okay, now we are moving on to the next line. And the next child who's going to speak is Mansi. She's raised her hand. Mansi, tell me, beta, what is the next thing we'll write? Science house we've already written.
Ma'am, address.
Address means, what will you write? I already gave you the situation. We are writing to Science House Bareilly. What will we write now? Science House we've already written. What will we write in the next line? Try. What are we going to write in the next line? Okay, Pragya, you tell us. After Science House, what will we write?
Yes, ma'am. After Science House, we'll write Bareilly and its pin code.
Okay. What about capitals and smalls in Bareilly? Will the entire thing be written in capital letters or small letters? What? How are we going to write Bareilly, beta? This is what we are going to ask the next child now. The next child we have is Abhinav Pandey. Abhinav Pandey, tell me, how will you write Bareilly?
Ma'am, B in capital.
Okay. Very good. And then you're going to write the pin? Too good, beta. Let's continue now. After this, we have Ritul. Ritul, now, what is the next thing we need to do, beta? We have written everything from here to here. See, this address part is entirely done. Now we move on to the subject. We are going to move on to what? We are going on to move on to subject now. Ritul will tell us the subject.
Placing order for science instruments.
Will you write the word subject or not?
When we write the word subject and S will be capital.
Okay, very good. She's given a specific answer. Let's move on to next one. It's Prateek Pandey. Tell me, beta. She's saying order for scientific instruments. What all should be capital?
First letter of every word.
First letter of every word.
Ma'am, placing P is P will be capital.
Okay.
And order in order O will be capital.
Very good.
For in science S will be capital, and in instruments I will be capital.
Excellent. Only avoid prepositions and conjunctions. Rest everything, the first letter will be capital. Very good, children. You are very good. Excellent. Chali beta. Now we are going to move on to the next person. We are addressing the person. The designation of the person needs to come next. Let's see who is in turn now. Let's have, who's there now? Prabhav. Prabhav, tell me, how will we address? Prabhav, tell us, how will we address the person? Anshika, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am will address with sir or madam and like
Sir
this.
or
And
madam. Very good.
madam.
Sir and
Ma'am,
madam.
last time there was an issue. I was not able to unmute, so I knew the answer.
Okay, that is nice. Actually, I'm also in the gradual process of learning this technology, so it takes me time. Slowly, I learn.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Bache,
It's
let's
showing
move
only
forward.
the host could unmute.
Who will give me the first sentence now? The first sentence. We've already started writing a letter. We already done with the formats. So we've got so many hands raised now. Let's try somebody different who's not come once also. Utkarsh Yadav. Utkarsh Yadav. Tell us the first sentence. Utkarsh Yadav, are you there? No? Anybody who's not got a chance till now? Let me try these. Why these children are so late? I don't understand. Joining again, leaving again. Let me start from down again. Let me see. Ridhima Arora. Okay, some new name here. Ridhima, tell. What will be the first sentence?
In first sentence, we'll be telling the reason. That is, we want to place a
Beta,
bulk of science
yes. We want to place
science items for. We want to place a bulk of science laboratory items for chemistry lab.
Okay, laboratory items. Can we have a better word for this? Items ki jagah?
Instruments.
Items, instruments. No. Somebody else, can you give me a better word?
Apparatus.
Apparatus. Apparatus would be the best one, no doubt. So let's go for apparatus. Now let's give somebody a chance from the commerce section. Akshat. Akshat, now we are going to make columns. How many columns should we make?
Ma'am, 2 columns in this.
2.
Ma'am, item and quantity.
Can we make more?
Yes, ma'am, we can make if we know brand also.
Excellent, excellent. So, Prabhav, now tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshat says make 3 columns. So, what headings will you give?
Ma'am, if I would make 2 columns, then ma'am, items and quantity and company name.
Okay, company name or brand name. Now, let's
Yes,
start
ma'am.
ordering. Okay, let's start ordering now. All those people who raised hand, let's start ordering. Vaibhav Shukla, tell me what you want to order.
Ma'am, beaker.
Okay,
Quantity
so in the
2.
first column, you will write beakers. How many you want to order, beta?
Ma'am, 2.
2.
Ma'am,
And
apparatus.
any brand or company you want to specify, Vaibhav?
No, ma'am.
No, he doesn't want to specify any company, so he's going to make only 2 columns there. Fine,
Yes,
done.
Borosil.
Okay, Borosil. Fine, he has also decided. Now we have Devansh coming in. Devansh, tell me what do you want to order? Devansh, what do you want to order? Devansh, you want to order something, beta? Probably he's gone to order pizzas. He's not there only. Devansh, are you there? Okay, Mansi, what do you want to order?
Ma'am,
Mansi,
microscope.
microscope. Very good. What quantity, bache?
Ma'am, 5.
Okay. Any specific brand?
Ma'am, I don't know.
If you don't know, you can simply write ABC. Okay? If
Okay,
you get
ma'am.
stuck at a
Okay.
place, you can simply write ABC, XYZ, anything you
Yes,
can write.
ma'am. Now I can speak, ma'am. My
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, previously I no answer and I
Okay.
can't.
Okay, fine. Who else wants to order? Let's have who else wants to
Ma'am.
order? Yes, you want to order? Devansh,
Yes,
where were
ma'am.
you when I asked you?
Ma'am, I am not able to unmute me.
Acha, now speak. Now you're unmute. Speak what you want to order.
Ma'am, different type of chemicals like uh, potassium permanganate.
Okay, you want to order potassium permanganate. How many grams?
Now
200
see,
grams.
children,
Here, very good. He has come up with a different concept. Can we order it in numbers? We cannot have a mathematical figure. So we'll have to go for grams or kgs. How many grams you want to order, Devansh?
ma'am, 200 grams.
200 grams of potassium permanganate. If you do not know the brand, simply write ABC or simply write XYZ. That's it. Okay, too good. Let's have somebody else who's, oh my God, so many children want to order. Let's have this.
Ma'am, Petri
Shreya
dish.
Kalra. Petri dish also you can order. The number that you want, tell me. Shreya Kalra, would you like to order something?
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Peter, order.
Ma'am, test tubes.
Test tubes. Too good. How many you want to order?
10.
10. Any specific brand?
Borosil.
Borosil. Okay, fine. Soni Sharma, would you like to order something? Soni, would you like to order?
Ma'am, spatula.
Spatulas, very good. How many you want? How many you want to order? Not sure? Okay, one last order from Utkarsh Yadav. Yes, Utkarsh, what do you want to order quickly? Utkarsh, you raised your hand. You wanted to order, beta. Order now.
Ma'am, funnel.
Funnel, very good. How many funnels you want to order, bache? Not sure how many you want to order. Anyways, we are done with the table now. After the table, I told you, we'll move on to this paragraph where we will tell that when do you want and what discounts you want. The date, if at all you want to mention time, you can do that. Otherwise, date and the discounts that you need to mention. Who will frame the next sentence? Weber, you want to frame the next sentence?
Yes,
Weber,
ma'am.
frame
Yes,
below.
ma'am.
Yes. How will you frame the next sentence? After this
Ma'am,
table is done.
please deliver the items according to the given list on the respective date.
The respective date means you have not mentioned till now any date. So please mention the date. Since we
on
started the letter, we have not mentioned.
October 10, 2020.
Okay.
That is Sunday. That is Sunday.
Okay.
And you can deliver the items by any of the means of transportation, like truck or anything.
One thing we are missing out, Weber, which we need to mention in this paragraph. Can you recall? Srishti Mittal, Weber has missed out one point. Please tell what is it, which needs to be mentioned in this paragraph.
Ma'am, discount.
Excellent, the discounts. Very good. Weber has given the first line. Now you add up and complete the paragraph. Mention the discounts. You decide how much percent discount and how are you going to ask for it.
Ma'am, since we are a regular customer, we want a discount of around 20% on our purchase.
Okay, she wants a discount of 20%. So Weber gave us the first line that when the things have to be delivered, Srishti has given us the discount. Now I want somebody to mix up both the things. Mix both the things and give the entire paragraph. Mansi, would you like to try? Mansi, both the sentence together, complete the paragraph. I think Mansi is not able to. Ritul,
Yes, ma'am.
you try. Anshika Singh, you try.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we'll write that we want to place order for. No, ma'am. Last line. We'll write. Please send the all the equipments between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then we'll write. You are requested to see that the consignment is of good quality. Any any
No, beta,
defect.
we are just talking about the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, we generally, I'm talking about the paragraph after the column. We don't discuss about the quality in this paragraph. Quality and conditions come in the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Never mind. Utkarsh Yadav, you wanted to say something. Speak, beta. Utkarsh Yadav, you wanted to compile and speak. Speak.
Ma'am, we have to mention time also.
See, that is entirely your choice. If you want, you can. If you don't want, don't do it. But I want both the sentences. What are the two things we generally write after the orders?
Ma'am, date and discount.
Okay. Date and discount. Mention the sentence. Mention the first sentence. How will you mention the date? Tell them when do you want it? No. Okay, let's see. Riddhima, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am. First
Speak,
we'll
beta.
write, please send the items to the school till 15th October 2020 before
Okay.
8 a.m. and 4 p.m.
Yes. Yes.
Then in the second paragraph, we will write, since we are your valuable and regular customer,
Yes.
we would like to avail a discount of 20% on our order.
Yes. She's spoken everything perfectly better, but it is not the second paragraph. It is the same paragraph, but the second line. See, children over here. Please send the items to our school on any weekdays. Since we are one of your valuable or regular customers, we want a discount of this. So we are done with this paragraph after the table. Now we are going to go for the next one. Okay. That what will be the mode of payment and when will the payment be done? Like they have said, the payment would be done cash/check. It's your choice. On delivery of goods after the music department has checked it. So now you need to tell in the next line how the payment will be made and when the payment will be made. This is what has to be done in the next paragraph. Okay, Uditi, frame this next paragraph.
Please send the bill after allowing discount for school. We would make the payment in cash on delivery of the goods and after it is being checked by the department.
Fine. So she's wanting to do the payment by check, and after it is being done by the cross checking is being done by the department. So this is how we are going to go ahead with. Ritul, frame the same sentence according to your
Yes, ma'am.
convenience, how you want.
Ma'am, same sentence.
Same paragraph in your own way. Your conditions, please put forward.
Okay. Please ensure the quality of all the items and no defective instrument is found in these items. And if any defective instrument is found, the payment will not be done.
Okay, you've done the next paragraph. Anyways, if you've done the next paragraph, it's okay, well and good. Let's close it now. Let's close. Whose turn now? We have Soni Sharma. Please close it. How will you close the letter?
By saying thank you.
Thank you. Thank you or thanking you? Should it be
Thanking
thank
you.
you? thanking you. Okay. It's a formal letter, so let's thank them. Done. Anshika, after that, what will you write?
Ma'am, yours truly or yours sincerely.
Okay. Yours truly or yours sincerely. Yeah, fine. Though this is not needed, as per me, I don't think this is needed. The principal did not be sincere or true to this shopkeeper person here. So if you want, you can simply avoid this as well. Let's move on to the next one. Last, you write the name, the designation, that is the principal, and the name. So let's have a very quick review. We are starting from Weber. What is the first thing, first line? What has to be written? Weber, first line. Devansh, first line. Devansh, what will we write in the first line?
Ma'am, in first line we will write the school name.
Excellent. We'll write the school's name. Too good. Sakshi Mishra, what
Yes,
will we
ma'am.
write in second line?
Ma'am, Bareilly, then it's pin code.
Bareilly and the pin code. I'm not discussing the capitals and all. Soni Sharma. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
What will we
Date.
write next?
Then we will write date.
How will you write today's date? All of you, please write today's date in the two possible ways that I have taught you. Today's date. First, the date first, and then the month first. Write and post. ईशा, वैसे इतनी जल्दी क्यों खत्म हो रही है मीटिंग्स? हाँ? इतनी जल्दी क्यों खत्म हो रही है हमारी? 10-10 मिनट पहले खत्म हो रही है मीटिंग. Write the name of the city as Delhi. So how would you write the city and the pin? So ईशा, उसमें मीटिंग टाइम तो